Next, we've got this search bar, and at the moment it's populated with a PPL. So if we select this search bar, we can search for any asset that we want to show a chart for. And the best way to search for an asset is by typing in the ticker or symbol pair. For example, if we wanted to search for a cryptocurrency, we're going to go for Bitcoin, which is the biggest crypto. We will type in the ticker for Bitcoin, which is BTC, and it's also best to also type in the pair that you want to see the assets with. So for example, BTC USD, because then we want the Bitcoin US dollar pair. So if I type in USD, we'll be able to see Bitcoin US dollar pair, and on the left you see the symbol, in the middle you see the description, and to the right you see the source, and the sources will be the exchanges or the brokers that are currently trading these pairs. And whilst you're searching something, you can also filter the search via categories. So for example, I could have just typed in BTC and selected crypto because I know it's a crypto, then I will just see crypto pairs. Or if I select Forex, you can see that nothing shows up because there isn't a ticker named BTC within the Forex category. So that's another way that you can filter this. So if I just go to crypto and we want the BTC USD pair on Coinbase, because Coinbase is one of the most popular exchanges, which is reputable. So if I select that, we can see the chart has now changed to the Bitcoin US dollar on Coinbase.